Okay, gang. Today I got my labels or decals from Jim Tedesco. He printed them out for me for those container cars, and I put them on the well cars today. So now they all have their labels on them, and he's making it around. I'm going to turn the headlight on. I had to take the bridge off because it was those containers are a little higher, so I might have to make a new bridge and make that a little bit higher. I don't know, but I just moved it to there. That's okay. So he's making it around. Now I can add the rest of the cars on the consist since it's working. And this is an update on my signals. All the lights were out, and I got two signals working now. But they, what I had to do, I found out that I was using a little bit over 5 amps of lighted, so I got to split the layout up into 3 sections, and I got to get 2 more boosters to put on so that I can distribute the load across the 3 boosters, 1 for each. Well, the Helix is one that has a lot of signals on it, and I'm just going to swing around as it comes around. The Helix is going to be 1 zone, the 3rd level, and the subway system will be another zone. And then the 2nd level and the 1st level are going to be another zone. And they'll all have their own boosters, and then I can do it. But I got to replace a lot of lighted because they all got fried somehow. I don't know how. I just found one that was working. I took it over to my workbench and tested it, and it worked. I was able to code it up. And then I put it on the layout and plugged it in, and now it doesn't work. So I got to take it off again and make sure it works. Maybe I crimped on the connectors bad. I'll have to check that out because it was working on the bench. So I got to do that for all the lighteds. I got to take them all off and test them. I ordered 30 of them because I'm going to need a lot to replace, and I'm having a hard time finding some boosters. I have a PB5, and they're on the expensive side, but the PB105 is a little cheaper. I found it a couple places are out of stock, and the other places that have it, they're on the expensive side. So I have to keep searching. But I just want to get some of them working again, then I'll know I'm on my way, and I got to run some separate bus lines. So I'll have 3 separate accessory bus lines. And my NCE Switch 8s, the MK2s that I have 4 of them. 3 of them are on DC mode, even though they're plugged into the DCC line, because I have a power adapter on them and they're in DC mode. So what that does is it allows you to control the turnouts through DCC, and if you have a short circuit on the DCC side, you can still control the turnout, so because it's on DC power. So that's I got to get a 4th power adapter for the 4th one I put up on the 3rd level, and then that'll take care of that problem. And then I had a turnout that wouldn't change, and then I looked at it and the spring wire came out, the one that goes down to the tourist machine, and I had to order some wire from KS Metals, and that came in. I got some 032 wire, and I put that in, and now the turnout works. But when the engine runs over, it short circuits. Then I found out that the frog is powered on the wrong side, so I gotta flip the wires. I might have been playing around with the wires, and I might have flip-flopped the wrong one, and I got to go underneath there and check to see, because when I was testing out these signals, I was playing around with a lot of wires, so just want to see. And we're going by the refinery, and the furnace is burning away today. So that's it for today. Just wanted to show you the new containers that I made on my 3D printer, all printed up, weathered a little bit, and then the decals came today, and I put them on, and they're now moving around the layout. So we'll all see you in the next video, and hopefully we'll get my signals working shortly. Well, this is Tom, and everybody have a good night.